Don't do Solmax Igniter100 until you watch this video. Hello, you're welcome. My name is CJ Manuel. Is Solmax Igniter100 legit? Is it a scam? In this video, we are going to explore the legitimacy of Solmax and to see how legit this platform is. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't be in a haste, don't skip. It's very important that you watch this video first before you invest in Solmax Igniter100. You'll be hearing about Solmax, you'll be hearing about Igniter100. They are one and the same company. Solmax is the advertising arm of Igniter100. Igniter100 is the company we are buying shares from. But first and foremost, is this company legit? How do we find out that this company, whether this company is legit or not? So now let's explore. First, go to your browser. First and foremost, we are going to be considering a platform called Not Data. We're considering a platform called Not Data. To the best Not Data.de. So let's go to that site and see if Solmax is legit. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because after showing you guys, after discovering the legitimacy of this platform with you, we are going to briefly show you how powerful and what Solmax is all about. So now we are being offered whether I want to leave it in German. The writing is in German now, so we have to put it in English. So click here to put it in English. So let's click English so that we can type in English. Network was bad. Let's do that again. Come on. Okay, now it has translated. So let's type in the browser. Hope you guys are seeing the browser. It's very clear there. Let me circle this so that you can see the browser. This is it. So let's type Solmax there. Solmax. Okay. And we have various suggestions here. There are other Solmax. Okay, but the one we are dealing with, Solmax Group. Solmax Group, which is this. That's the company we are researching on. So let's click that to see. Remember, this is an external site where legit companies, registered companies are listed. So you can see now, Solmax Group UK Limited, London, Great Britain. These are the details. Okay, Solmax Group UK Limited. You can do your due diligence. Go search for it if you want to, because some people are Thomases, so you can do your research. Okay, you can go and find out, you can go and discover if they are actually there. So these are their details. Okay, that is their detail. Now let's search for Igniter100, because I said both of them are the same companies, but the Solmax is the advertising arm of Igniter100. Igniter100 is the main company we are buying shares from. Okay, so we want to ascertain the legitimacy of this company that is making a lot of people millionaires. So let's check Igniter100. Oh, sorry. Igniter100. No, not Igniter Exchange, Igniter100. That's the name, not Igniter Exchange. Okay, that is it. Igniter100 UK Limited. So if you notice, Igniter100 UK Limited, London, Great Britain. You can see that. And if you notice, the address is the same. Okay. You can see that, see their details here. So this is proof number one that this company is legit. Proof number one that this company is legit. You see, it is registered in this website. Now let's go to scam. What is it called? Is it scam? Let's say it called doc. Okay, scam.com. Let's, because if they are not doing what they should be doing, they will have very bad rating. So scamdoc.com. So let's see if people that are using the platform are very comfortable with it, if they are very cool with what they promise to do. And this company have been there since 2017. Just check how many years it is now. So it's not a new company. They've been there since 2017. So let's just prove that we are not robots. So let's click that second space to prove that we are humans. What is the instruction here? It says please click each image containing. When you click each image that contains a boat here. So this contains a boat, this contains a boat, this contains a boat, this contains a boat. So I don't think there's any other boat there. So now after doing that, you click next and follow the next instruction. Okay, so I'm giving on that one. Let's see, this contains a boat, this contains a boat, this contains a boat, this contains a boat. Okay, click check again. Let's wait for it to verify. Let the scam doc site come up for us to verify. Let's see the ratings of this company, what people are saying about them. The capture didn't still go. Basical. So this basical. Next. Basical. Check. Okay, the site is open now. Scamdoc.com. Let's see, let's scroll down and see. So here now we have to type the name of the site here, and then we click analysis. So Solmax, right? Solmax group. No, is the site we are putting, sorry, not the site. Solmax.com. Then you click the analysis button underneath, so that we analyze the company first. So click analysis. So let's allow it to analyze. Analysis in progress. Let's see the rating of solmax.com. Let's see the rating. Please, if you are joining this platform, if you want to join this company, make sure you are using my referral link so that you join our team. We have a very powerful team. We have all the video guides to guide you and to instruct you on what to do, what you should know, how to get about it. We support you, answer your questions as much as we could. Okay, the answer is out. Boom. Did you see the rating? 93%. 93%. Okay, 93% is clearly written there. Low risk. Okay, you can see it's very popular. Okay, so Scamdoc is giving this site a rating of 93%. That is huge, very, very huge. Okay, let's check Igniter100. Solmax happen to be more popular than Igniter100 because Solmax is the advertising arm of Igniter100. So some people know Solmax more than Igniter100. But like I said before, they are the same company. So now let's search for Igniter100 to see what they are going to give us. Igniter100.com. Okay, click analysis. Let's see what the rating of Igniter100 will be. Solmax gave us a rating of 93. Okay. So let's see what Igniter100, the rating Igniter100 is giving us. Let's see. Okay, boom, 73%. That is a very high rate, 73%. Like I said, Igniter100 is not that popular. Though it's the parent body, but not that popular. Solmax is more popular because Solmax is the advertising arm, and you hear everybody calling Solmax, 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 Solmax. You don't hear Igniter that much. Okay, but look, see how the rating is, very high rate. Okay, so that from this video you'll be able to as legit this platform is. Remember, the not data where legit companies are listed, you can see them there and you can see the address, and this site is also showing that they are nice. It's a very good site to deal with. Okay, with this platform you can make £4,000 weekly. Some people make £12,000 weekly, depending on how you work. Okay, everybody cannot earn the same. Some earn less, some earn more, and depending on what you do and how serious you are with the platform. So, but the fact is that everybody wins. So long as you invest in this platform, you win, because it's all about buying of shares. Okay, now let me briefly just a glance of what you should be expecting if you are investing into this platform. What should you be expecting? So there are two sections. One is the one you get your daily return, you trade it. Personally I call it the trading side of it and the locking side of it, or the buying of shares side of it. The trading side of it is that when you buy the shares, you'll be getting a return of 1% daily. Okay, which you can cash out. 75% of it can be cashed out, 25% of it is used to buy shares for you automatically. So for that's for people that wants to be seeing daily return. But the other side of it is you buy the shares, you lock it up for it to mature. In this case, you don't get daily returns, but people are going for this because when you lock your shares, the company gives you 100% of what you bought, 100% bonus of what you bought. Let's say you bought a share worth £1,000. The company is going to give you a share worth £2,000. And currently, the cost of a share unit is 46 pence. And is estimated by an external body, not Solmax. An external body that assessed the assets of Solmax came to a conclusion that when Solmax will go to the public stock exchange in UK by March, April, that their share will be worth between £6 to £8. Okay, that means if you have 1,000 share units now, by that period of time next year, we're already in December 2020, by that period of time next year, 2021, that 1,000 shares that you have will now be £8,000 for you. And if you have 10,000 share units, it means that time you now have £80,000. Just £100 you put today £100 you put today can generate over £4,000 by next year. That is how lucrative they have. They have shares. This company have shares with more than 100 companies. So by just buying shares from this company, you have bought shares from more than 100 different companies. They have companies of their own, the ones they own 100%, startup companies and other ones that are functioning. They also partner with external companies that are also well known, legit and registered. They also have partnership with Pioneer, and so that is much of the talk. So this is the estimation. If you put £25, okay, you are estimated you should be expecting £916 thereabout, okay, plus or minus, okay, by next year. That's your return on investment. And if you put, like, let's say £100, okay, you should be expecting about £3,000 to £4,000 return on investment by next year. That's about 2.2 million naira. You can check that in your local currency. So if you invest, let's say you put like £1,000, okay, you buy £1,000 worth of shares, okay, you should be having about 6,666 share units, okay. So by next year you're expected to have around 36 to 40,000 pounds return on investment. That's more than 20 million naira. You can check that in your local currency. Remember, this is pounds, not euro, not dollars. Pounds is bigger than dollar and euro, okay. Now that is how the platform works, okay. It is very clear. I don't want to do too much analysis. That's why I'm just trying to run down. You can pause the video, go through each of the packages and what you are expecting to get by next year, plus or minus, because currently the price of the share is rising. So what £100 will give you, then that is the number of shares that £100 will buy for you now, will not be the same number of shares is going to buy for you in the next 2 weeks, because the value of the share is rising. That is why it's good to buy your shares now. Buy as many shares as you can now, as quickly as possible, okay. Accumulate as many shares as you can. Now, going about the documents from the company, very if you look at the addresses, look at the registration number is there. There is nothing that is hidden. You can look for them, you can confirm them, okay. You can see their phone numbers are there, the address is there. As you can see, this address is the same address we saw in that not data site, okay. So this company is legit, they are working well, but don't take my word for it. Don't take my word for it. Do your own due diligence. Like I always say, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't see this video as a financial advice. Note vividly that you're solely responsible for any action you take or refuse to take as a result of watching this video. You are 100% responsible for your decision. All I'm doing is to show you how I'm making money online. It's left for you to join me or not to join me. It's your choice. But the fact is, whether or not you join, people are coming on board and people are cashing out. People are making a lot of money from this platform. The choice is yours. I am not here to convince you. I am only here to bring an opportunity to your doorstep. Information, they say, is power, but what you do with the information will determine whether you get that power or not. So the choice is yours and the ball is in your court. Check out what people are making from this platform. This is weekly earnings. You can see there, this is about £12,000, right? You can see this one is about £20,000. Look at the top here. What you have here is, you see last week, £20,000, okay. he has used some of it and it remains only £15,000 in the cash account section. Okay, you can see £15,000. A lot of money. People are making lots of money from this platform, so the choice is yours. But I have shown you an opportunity, and I'm not telling you what I'm not doing. I myself, I'm into it, I've invested, so I'm not telling you to do what I am not doing. But however, it's your choice. Again, I repeat, having watched this video, I know now you can now make your decision whether or not you should join